Yo, welcome guys, it's your boy Junior and I'm back with another video. Yeah, so if you are a return subscriber, thank you very much for supporting this channel. Click on the like button and share this video to others. And if you have not yet subscribed, you are new on this channel. My name is Junior and I document my life here as a forex trader. So click on the subscribe button, turn on post notification and share the videos to others so that we can grow this channel and support the channel together. Thank you. So on today's episode, I just entered a trade on GBP USD and it's playing out nicely. So I just wanted to share with you how I entered the trade, the process, the analysis, everything that I did before taking the trade. So without much ado, let's dive right into the screen. Let me show you how I did it. Guys, so this is my screen right here and this is the trade. It's playing out nicely here, So just remove all the drawings. Let me remove everything so that we have a clean chart. Then we start from the top. Yeah. So when I come to the chart every morning, the first thing I do is to check out my news, whether there's going to be a high impact news or what. So after doing that, I just come to the screen to do my analysis, my technical analysis. So firstly, I go to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, that's my main time frame. That's where I see the clear picture, the main picture. That's where I see everything that I'm looking out for. So I just go to the daily time frame. What do I do on the daily time frame? On the daily time frame, I'm looking for the trend of the market and the market structure that is forming on the daily time frame. So firstly, as you can see, the market is moving in a downward trend. It's moving in a downward trend. It's creating lower lows and lower highs market structures. So for us to identify the trend, I use this trend line. I place it from the top and drag it to the down. So as you can see, the trend line is pointing downwards, which means the market is moving in a downtrend. So we have identified our trend. So what do we do next? We identify our market structure. Let me zoom in so that we can see the market, the candlesticks well. So for identify our market structures, we start from this high. As you can see, from this high, we created a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and now we are creating a lower high. So after this lower high, we are expecting price to break this low and form another low and continue the trend, since we are moving in a downtrend. Yeah, since we are moving in a downtrend, this is what we want to see in the markets. So after identifying my market structure, I can see that the structure is moving with the trend. So what do I do next? I mark up my zones. I start from my recent lower high. I mark the low that has formed already. Then I mark my last low like this. So what am I looking out for? I'm looking out for market to pull back and retest this region, this line here, this lower low. Then it will shoot down. Yeah, so if you minimize the charts, you can see there is a level here, support here. So I make sure I mark all those supports so that I don't miss out on any. Yeah, so this is what I do. So after doing this, I just go down to the 4-hour time frame. I go down to the 4-hour time frame to check what the 4-hour time frame is telling us. At this point, you can see that I don't have any bias for the market. I only know that the market is moving downwards. That doesn't mean I'm going to sell right after identifying the trend on the daily time frame. I have to put up a story. I have to find confluences before I take the trade. That's how trading works. You have to be confident in your trade before you take them. So I build up a story around the charts to see, okay, everything is moving in the same way. So this is how I'm going to take my trade. So when I come to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that when I identify the market structure on the 4-hour time frame, you can see we were creating lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and we form the low. So we are supposed to pull back from a lower high, then we continue downwards. But for now, what can we see on the charts? This region, this is where the last lower low formed. This is where the last lower low formed. So until we break this downtrend on the 4-hour time frame, if you know your market structures well, until we break this lower low, lower high, we are still in a downward. So what are we looking for? We are looking for sales. Since the daily time frame is moving downwards, the 4-hour too is moving downwards. So after identifying this zone in this market structure, what do I do next? I go down to the 1-hour time frame. You can see how I'm doing the analysis one by one, step by step, from highest to the lowest time frames, to build up a story before I take the trade. Yeah. So after identifying the market structure on the 4-hour, I move down to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame too, I just build up the story by finding the market structures on the 1-hour time frame. So let's do this together. As you can see, the market was moving in a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So at this point, the 1 hour was not moving with the higher time frames, but later you can see the market formed something like, the market took out the last lower high and lower high on the higher low on the 1 hour time frame, and it pulled back to form a lower low, and it formed a lower high, a lower low, and we are forming a lower high. As you can see, now the market has switched from the 1 hour market structure has switched from bullish market structure to bearish market structures, which means all the time frames are moving equally. They are all moving downward. So what are we looking for? We are looking for selling opportunities. So on the 1 hour time frame, I look out for my last lower low, then I mark it out. So when I mark it out, then what do I do next? I bring out my Fibonacci tool. I draw from the high to the lowest points to find my point of interest, to find where I want to enter the trade from. So to find where I want to enter the trade from, I use the Fibonacci tool on the 1 hour. I go from the high to the low. But with this market, you can see that the market is not really moving the way it's supposed to. So if you don't have that eyes or you don't have that experience, you cannot identify this market structure on the 1 hour time frame. You know, it needs lots of experience for you to achieve these things, some of these things. Yeah. So when I mark this zone and I wait for market to pull back to retest my last lower low on the 1 hour time frame, then after the price pull back to my zone, what do? I go down to the 15 minutes. The 15 minutes, what do I look for on the 15 minutes? I'm looking for my confirmation candlesticks. And you know what confirmation candlesticks are? I look out for rejections or bearish or bullish candlesticks in the uptrend and the bearish candlesticks in the downtrend. So when price got to my point of interest, I just went to the 15 minutes time frame to look out for my confirmation. And you can see at this zone, you can see how price reacted at this zone. You can see price rejected at these zones 1, 2, 3. So right after this candle formed, this very bearish candle closed, I entered my trade like this, something like this. I entered here. I always keep 20 pips stop loss. So this was my stop loss, 20 pips. 20 pips from where I entered the trade, you can see. And where is my target? I'm targeting the last lower low because that's where the market is moving from the big picture, from the daily time frame. That's where the market is moving. The market is moving in a downtrend, so we are going according to what the market is telling us, you know. So this is how I entered the trade. This is my stop loss and this is my take profit. So as you can see, I'm already in the profits. The market is playing out. I'm about 1:1 ratio risk to reward right now. I don't know what will happen, but you know, so you know how trading works. If you have a good risk management and a good plan, in the long run we are going to be profitable in the forex market. Yeah. So this is how I place the trade, and I find trades on GBP USD every day. Every time I want to trade, every time I come to the chart, this is what I do to find my trades. You know, all strategies doesn't have 100% win rate, but at least you have to be confident in your strategy. You have to work on it. You know, backtest. I backtested this strategy for about 1 year, the whole of last year. The reason why I was not posting videos on YouTube or anything, I was really backtesting on this strategy, and I find out that it really works on GBP USD. So you can, if you don't understand anything, you can just go back to the video, rewatch it, and do everything that I did here step by step, and backtest the same strategy on GBP USD. This GBP USD strategy really works. I can show you tons of trades, but you know, I'll be dropping more videos on this strategy. So as time goes on, we are really going to get it if you don't get it now. But this is how I trade every day. Thank you for watching. So if you find anything beneficial in this video or helpful in this video, please make sure to like the video and share to others, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let's interact. Tell me anything, ask me anything. If you don't understand anything, just ask me in the comment section. I'll surely reply all comments. And if you are new on this channel and haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe, turn on post notification, and like this video and share this video to others. Your friends, can be your friends, your family members. You know, we just need to grow this channel. Please, I need your support. Just help me grow this channel. Let's make this together, you know, fam. I love you, and you see me in another video. Thanks. Bye.